that rain away, we could get some very competitive times indeed. Just having a quick look through in the front-wheel drive category, Tony Finkins is leading the way with a 53.14 in his Peugeot 205. Then Logan is with a 54.88 and top. So now in the Caterham R500, Ed, great driver, normally drives either a Bugatti or he drives a Gould GR55R Somerset. He also used to campaign a really nice Escort, I believe, back in the day. Stephen Moore leads the line. The man that's leading the class at the moment with a 52.28. Stephen Moore, our farmer from near Salisbury, regular hill climb competitor, as Lloyd works super effectively. Oh my goodness me, yes, he's going to go well. I think he's going to smash that time he did earlier at 52.28. 51.03, well done to Stephen Moore, knocking down. As we get a rapid Roger Taylor in the Escort Mark II. Roger Taylor was very quick earlier. He's already first 64 feet. He's ripped off the first 64 feet. Moore leads the way. So Roger Taylor did a 54.05 earlier. He's in the Bugatti. He's got to beat a 54.05 at the moment. He's looking really good to do that. I think he's going to be 2 seconds quicker this time at least. David Turner just leaving the line now. It's another rather beautifully turned out Mark II. He's running car 8, so he's gone through midway, heading up towards the S's. As Mark Linforth leads the line, one of our regular competitors in the Passy Champion White Big Winged Mark I Escort. Mark has got a Pinto engine at the Ford, so Dave Bonning's leading the way with a 55.07. We've got just left the line in a beautifully turned out Escort car 83. Four-wheel drive. Look at that, very quick exit off the line. It's so much quicker than it was. 2.59, that's quick. Now when we have the biggest, fastest single-seaters here, anything under 2 seconds is super quick. So 2.5 seconds is very quick, but it sounds very well indeed, doesn't it? A quick exit too, actually. Now we've got a whole clutch, drops it down a gear, flicks it round there, very quick line through there, no heroics. You can see the driver's view through the trees, through the Armco. Right, I have no Richard Egger, he's recorded a 61.11, it's telling me on my computer, it's not on Richard's screen at the minute. Joshua Moss is on the hill. Yeah, here's the approaches through the S's now. 54.46, good time. Chris Elston on the hill. And he'll be followed by Graham Wynn, who's left the line. Now Graham Wynn to the engine alone. And the car is a very well set up Escort indeed. And then we're going to get a look at Peter Hedges in this Mark II. That is absolutely good business with the 2.5 Vauxhall red top in it. There. Hear that beautiful Vauxhall red top, 16 volts, screaming away there. And Mark Campbell leads the line in a very, very rapid Peugeot 208. Now he'll be looking to do a little flash of the lights there from Peter Hedges there at the spectators and the marshals. Lovely to see. It's rally driver. His lines are really good. He's learned the lesson there. Keep it straight, keep it clean. Yeah, beautiful. He clips all the grass, gets all the leaves back on the hill. Coming round, one champion, drives anything super quick. First time he's driven this car today. Almost to Mark Campbell's time. Come on, Scotty, what do you got for us? Goes through the line in a 49.52, which is the quickest so far. What's turned us back in the rally car category 1 with a valid Motorsports UK rally logbook. He's looking good at the moment. James Turner, so terrific stuff. Stuart Baker in the little mini of. Okay, we've got a few. Kevin Knight slides points without a pardon. And then we're going to be seeing Colin Knott in this Subaru Impreza Turbo, this 2-litre turbo, it's under control beautifully. Right, down that dip, that's quick down to there, and then they have to go.
The same shortly, so we thought we'd grab a quick word with Holly if we may. Firstly,
when his spectators so close as well, it's something really special.
well, the thing is Rallye Prescott really does draw out the fans because they remember seeing this.
Wheelchair the right way. I had front plate. So every run so far, somewhere it's sleepy. So I came out the first head right.